Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox quality. We'll start by adjusting your in-game graphics settings. First, open Roblox and navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Graphics Mode option and ensure it's set to automatic or manual for more control. Then, adjust the graphics quality slider to a higher setting, like 10. This initial step is crucial for improving your visual experience right away, making your games look much sharper and more detailed. Next, let's dive deeper into optimizing your graphics. If you're using a dedicated graphics card, ensure Roblox is utilizing it. You can often find this setting in your computer's display or graphics control panel. Consider setting your display resolution to its native maximum, such as 1920 by 1080 pixels, for the crispest image. Experiment with different quality levels, finding the perfect balance between visual fidelity and smooth performance for your specific setup. Your computer's hardware plays a significant role in Roblox's visual quality. A powerful graphics processing unit, or GPU, and a fast central processing unit, or CPU, are essential. Aim for at least 8 GB of RAM for optimal performance. Also, a stable and fast internet connection, ideally 50 megabits per second or more, reduces lag and improves loading times. Always keep your graphics drivers updated to ensure compatibility and unlock the best possible performance from your hardware. Finally, for creators and players alike, there are in-game and studio enhancements. Game developers can utilize advanced lighting, custom textures, and post-processing effects like bloom and depth of field to elevate visual appeal. As a player, look for games that implement these features. In Roblox Studio, explore properties like global shadows and environment diffuse scale to fine-tune the aesthetic. These detailed adjustments can transform a good-looking game into a truly stunning visual experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.